Well, I tried a prank on my wife. I didn't figure it would work out right. We've been married for 25 years, so she know me pretty good. She know I do a little pranks, but I'm gonna do a little prank here. I'm gonna put a little chocolate here on my hand. I'm gonna go to the restroom, and I'm gonna get her to pass me some tissue. So I'm warming it up to make it seem real. The only thing I didn't get is some fart spray. She know me pretty well, so my brother-in-law told me to do this prank. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it work out. So watch it to the end and see what happened. All right, here we go. Hey, John, I left the toilet tissue right there. Can you hand it to me?
Right here.
Right here on the counter.
You done woke me up from a nap.
Ooh, that stuff came out quick. You see it up there by that?
What the toilet paper doing outside here? Keep playing. You already know I know.
How you know?
Because I know
Chris told me to get you. I said, dude, dog, he sent me a video. I said, John's beat up slap me.
So I already know.
Don't put that on your shirt.
I already know this thing. I know it was right when I saw it.
I try to warm it up.
I knew it was right when I saw it. Boy, y'all play.
I'm gonna get
if I didn't know you, to know that you wouldn't have shit all over your hands.